So I am back with another video on my series how to install apps. Today I am going to teach you how to install Appvalley, the most famous app for hacking apps on iOS after Tutu app. Also, Appvalley has only apps in English, not Japanese, so you can't confuse it with Tutu app. So what we do is we open up Google, then we type Appvalley, then we tap this one. So you can either buy the VIP version, for which you have to pay $12, or you can install Appvalley. So install. You can skip the video 10 seconds ahead or so if you want to skip the downloading part. Also, once this app downloads, it may tell you to trust the app. So you go here, then you go device management, see delete apps, but there will be an option trust, so you have to click that. You do have to have an internet connection to trust it. See, I have currently 3 trusted apps. After Appvalley is installed, it will automatically be trusted. So I'm ending the video as I have some internet problems, but don't worry, I have told you how to install the Appvalley. If you need another, please comment. So I will post another video on how to install Appvalley. Thank you and adieu.